Hi, if you can try to solve this problem, I'll give you about say 3 minutes to solve or 5 minutes to solve. Saya bagi peluang untuk anda semua selesaikan masalah ni ialah dalam 5 minit ya. Okey, apa yang perlu dibuat adalah pausekan video tu ya. Dan cuba. Right? Okay, pause down. Bolehkah pause dalam video tu? Pause, cuba. Kemudian lepas cuba, on balik the video. Okay? If you have pause and then pause your video and you can try to check with me how to answer the questions. Alright, now I am giving you an approach where you think when you solve problem. Saya nak bagi satu pendekatan di mana kamu boleh berfikir menggunakan pemikiran ya, untuk menjawab soalan ini. Cuba sekarang pause dulu ya. Alright, boleh ya? Bagus, kalau boleh. Then we'll check. Kita akan semak. Okay, we'll check how you go about solving this problem. This is meant for set 2, right? Set 2 or 3, you can still listen to this program. Or even if you are at the upper primary level, 4 or 5, you can always observe how I solve problem using thinking approach. Okay, pelajar darjah 2 sesuai ataupun pelajar darjah 1 pun begitu juga. Kalau ada yang tahun 4 ke tahun 5 nak tengok, boleh juga tengok. Sebab ada melibatkan pemikiran. Ini saya gunakan nombor yang kecil kan. I use simple numbers, small numbers, okay? Not big numbers. Saya gunakan nombor-nombor yang kecil kan. Okay, tapi yang penting sini adalah bagaimana kita menggunakan thinking skills untuk menyelesaikan masalah. Alright, let's take the first questions. Mari kita ambil soalan yang pertama. 37 plus 78 equals to what? 77 tambah 78 ini sama dengan berapa? Okay, if you see this is 37, you need some more numbers here so that you can get 78. Ya? Kita 37, kita memerlukan nombor tertentu sini untuk mendapatkan 78. Ini macam like you have 37 ringgit in your pocket and you want to buy say something that cost 78 ringgit. How much money you need? How much more money you need? Ini macam kita ada 37 ringgit dan kita perlukan price dia ataupun harganya 78 ringgit. Berapa lagi yang kita perlu, right? So this is very simple. Just like this type of problem, what you can do is to simplify this. Instead of looking at 37, you make it a very simple number. Like for example, let's say 1. This is 1 ringgit. You have 1 ringgit. Instead of 37, I replace by 1. Daripada 37 tu saya ganti dengan 1. Saya perlu ada 1 ringgit. Buy 1 ringgit. How much do I need to get 3 ringgit? Berapa saya perlukan untuk mendapat 3 ringgit? Saya ada ringgit, tapi barang tu 3 ringgit. So how much money I need? Berapa lagi wang yang diperlukan? Ini senang kan? 3. Sini 2 kan? 1 tambah 2 dapat 3. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. How do you get 2 here? You take 3 minus 1. Take 3 minus 1. Right? This is 3 minus 1. So likewise, if you have 37 plus what to get 70? 37 tambah dengan berapa dapat 78? So apa kita buat? Ya, betul. That's right. You take 78 minus 37. Right? And that will be what? 78 minus 37 is equal to 78 minus 37 equals to 141. So kita dapat 41, ya. So you put here 41. You can test whether the answer is right or not by putting by adding up these two. Kita boleh uji sama ada jawapan betul atau tidak dengan menambahkan dua ni dan mesti dapat 78, right? So you can test. So 7 plus 1 equals to 8. 3 plus 4 equals to 7. So your answer is right. Ini dengan cara kita tambah ini, 7 tambah 1, 8. 3 tambah 4, 7. Dapati memang jawapan kita betul. Right. Good. Now, you can always copy down this if you make any mistake. Yeah. Right. You can pause your video. Now, in this case, you don't know how much to add to get 28. It's just the same. The sum of tadi. You have 28 ringgit, but you want to buy something which cost 120 ringgit. So just like what we did just now. You have, instead of 20 ringgit, I replace by 1 ringgit. Here instead of 120, I put it as 3. Why I choose 1 and 3? Because they are simple numbers. Yeah? They are nombor yang mudah. Yeah? Small numbers and simple to look at. Di sini nombor besar sikit, tapi kita bawa 1 ni sebab ni 28. Kecil. Yang besar ni kawan dengan yang besar sikit. Yeah? So how much you add to 1 to get 3? Of course, from here you know it's 2. And how do you get 2? You take 3 minus 2. You got 1. 3 minus. How do you get 2? 3 minus 1 to get 2. So likewise, what do you do? 120 minus 28 or 120 plus 28? Of course, 120 minus 128, which is equal to 120 minus 28, which is equal to 2, and here you get 9. So it's 92. Okay, bila kita tolak, kita dapat 120 tolak 28. Kita dapati samalah dengan 2 sini, kemudian pinjam 1, 11 tolak 29. Right? And you check, you must make sure 92 plus 28 must be equal to 120. So 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, and 10 plus 2, 12, so 120. Okay, you can pause your video and copy down. Right, now, this is a bit, this is not right answer. This one is 196, I'm sorry, yeah? It must be 196 minus something. Cannot be less than, it cannot be 96, right? Now, sorry if you can't do the question, the problem, because of the small number here. Minta maaf kalau kamu tak dapat jawapan, kerana ini terlalu kecil. Nanti bagi mereka yang boleh berfikir, tentu akan komen macam mana nak ambil 96 tolak satu nombor sendiri atau dapat nombor yang lebih besar, right? So for this who can think critically, will argue that how can you have 96 minus a number and you get a bigger number, right? So now it's okay now. You can try now. You can pause the video and try. Alright, that will give you, you don't know this number, this is very big. what I suggest is to choose a number, choose two numbers. One is bigger, but you choose 1 and 2, 1 and 3, like what you did just now. Pilihkan satu nombor, satu besar, satu kecil. Pilih nombor 1 dan 3. Okey, 1 ni berkawan dengan yang kecil. 3 ni berkawan dengan besar. Now just rewrite the questions. Tulis balik soalan. Tapi menggunakan nombor yang lebih kecil. 196 besar dengan ini kalau dibanding ini. Jadi ambil 3 kawan dengan 196 dan 143 ni. 1 ni kawan dengan 143. So you pair up 3 is above 196. Pair up is 196 and 1 with a smaller number, that is 143, right? So what is a number when you minus here? 3 minus what to get 1? Of course 2. Okay, how do you get 2? By using 3 and 1? 3 minus 1 or 3 plus 1? Of course 3 minus 1. So it's the same thing here. This is 196 minus what? 196 minus 143 or 196 plus 143. Did you guess? Right, you made it correct, guys, by taking 196 minus 143. Otherwise, you get you add 196 plus 143. You get a very big number here, which you cannot take 196 minus that big number. Kalau kita ambil campur kedua ni, tambah kedua ni, kita akan dapat nombor besar. Macam yang besar, lebih besar dari ini. Macam mana satu nombor kecil nak tolak dengan nombor yang besar? Itu pun cara kita berfikir. So you get so 3 minus 1. So likewise here, what do you do? 196 minus, yes, 143. So 196 minus 143. So 3, 5. So 53. Okay. Right. Next. What about this? Of course, you are given a